Hi everyone, my name is Francesco and I am the founder of Kruncher. Today I would like to walk you through how our product works. Everything starts in Kruncher.ai. Then you should create a free account by clicking here. I will skip those steps and I would like to show you how a full account of Kruncher look like. So we connect our email and we start to process all the email that we receive. We have a very well implemented algorithm that is able to understand and classify if the email that we receive are investment opportunity or not. If there are, is split also between investment opportunity that come from my own contact and investment opportunity that are unsolicited. Kruncher is also able to process investment opportunity that are manually uploaded. One example is just this one that I can click on add new company and I can select a pitch deck, or I can also just provide the URL of a company I would like to analyze. Then if I click generate company report, in less than 10 minutes, I will have the company report ready. Kruncher has a lot of potential customization that you can do. You can connect your email, you can set your investment criteria, so you can define in Kruncher what are the business model, company stage, geography, industry, and revenue that you want to that you would like to filter the investment that you receive. There might be some that are marked as a focus and some other that you can mark as a deal breaker. In this way, we will be able to tell you if it is if a new investment opportunity is a match or is not a match. So we have a lot of different type of criteria: the company stage, the business model, the industry, and we have 300 different industry that you can select. And finally, we have the geography. So you can decide exactly which country are aligned with your investment thesis. Kruncher allow you also to configure how your investment memo should look like. So you can also decide which section. You can also customize how our report will look like and if you want to have additional extraction. Let's see how Kruncher works. So at the core of its offering, we integrate all your data source. We integrate with your CRM and so on to help you create company report. The different company report can, in a way very similar to many other CRM, can be organized to by stage. So inbox will contain everything that you just received. Watch list are interesting company, but not ready yet for investment. You can see what your team is commenting or reviewing. And then there are all the deals that are in screening. And then if lucky, they might end up in your portfolio. Once you open a report, it will look like this one. This is just demo data. And this is a scenario where we had two different versions of the pitch deck of Sonno, one from 2023 and one from 2024. So if you look at this report, I will also make it a little bit smaller. There are all the key information that help you understand a business. So there is a quick summary. You can see when the company was founded, where they are located. And then there are those 6 sections that help you understand in this business. You can quickly understand their solution and problem, what they sell, the business model and their go-to-market, the traction that they had so far, who are the key team members, the market and the competition, and the founding landscape. You can easily see this update that is the way that we flag information that have changed between the 2 different versions of a pitch deck that we have received. So if you click, you will see that in the previous version of the pitch deck, there were 500 customers, and now there are 700. So this can quickly highlight how the information have changed. Kruncher then have a lot of deep dives section on different type of analysis that an investor want to do. So we analyze, for example, in detail, the key achievement of a founder. We tell you if the person already raised money and also how many years he worked in startup. We provide a lot of deep dive on what was the previous company where he worked. And we also estimate the salary. In the same way, we estimate salary for all the team members so that we can easily understand the burn rate of a company by multiplying all the different employees with their own salary. There are multiple other insights that we are able to generate on the team, including the missing component and also a deep dive on the domain experience. We, of course, process all the news that we find about a company, and then we do an additional analysis on the market size. So in the market size, we are able to estimate top-down and bottom-up of a market. And of course, this data become way more accurate, more information are shared by the company. We analyze the business model, and we have always two ways of looking at data, the summarized version and the expanded version with more detail on key offering, roadmap, revenue stream, customer partner use case, and so on. Similar way, we also analyze the go-to-market. And finally, we move to the competitor landscape. We have an algorithm that is very powerful in find similar company in the market by simulating Google search, looking for exactly the same product that the company is selling in the same market. So we can definitely find a very relevant competitor, and we can also tell you why a company is a competitor. We analyze the market also and the industry, the key trends, and all the metrics that has been shared. Of course, the company should share with you the financial. There should be some slide with a deep dive on their business and financial metrics. Finally, we create also an investment memo that is based on all the information that we have processed. The tool allows you also to download a PDF summary, vote each section of a company, and also leave comment, edit data. There are a lot of ways that customers use Kruncher, including the ability to invite our bot to also listen to the interview call with your target company. We provide integration with multiple different CRM like Affinity and Attio, and much more other feature. Please schedule a call with us to learn more about Kruncher or try it yourself. The first 5 analyses are free. Thank you.